Have you heard about copy trading strategies? I think you do. Have you tried it? I don't know, but I did. And this is how it turned out. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and today we are going to talk about the copy trading strategies. On the exchange I started to use not so long ago, the Gate.io exchange, they have a copy trading strategies that you can copy from the other traders and maybe get some money while doing nothing. Is it really the case? Let's check it out. So we have a window for the copy trading on Gate.io, and we can see that there are quite many strategies that you can copy. General strategies, and there is one thing that you should know. 5% of the profit earned is credited to the strategy provider when the copied strategy ends. I would say that's fair enough. If the strategy is successful, 5% is like a nice tips for the strategy creator that earned you some money. So that's fair enough, that's okay. Just wondering, if the strategy goes to minus, what's then? Will I get more 5%? I doubt about that. And as we can see, there are quite many all kinds of strategies. This one, for example, 200% return looks really nice. 700%, that's even more nicely. But win rate is 100%, so it might be just one trade. 400%, 20, 30% win rate. Wow, everything looks really nice in these strategies. This one has whopping 2363% of return, but we have no win rate, so it might be just one trade. Looks really nice. All the profits looks really nice for these strategies. Let's see for the most copied, 400, 500. Yeah, this one, for example, yeah, 29% of win rate. Looks quite small, 588%. Wow, that's nice. Looks very interesting. Ingrid Terry Janice, let's press copy, let's see what we have in here. Looks like this is Ethereum and USDT trading strategy. Leverage, no, we don't want any leverage for now, so let's make 100 USDT. For the other options, let's not change them. We can have additional parameters in here. We can set up position TP. The value of that buy goes too much, it can be sold automatically while the strategy remains the same. So it's like additional stop loss orders for the strategy. So for now, let's leave everything that the strategy creator has created and let's see how it turns out. And we have like auto stop loss and some additional note at the bottom, which says that once created, you can view it on quantitative My Strategy, and like I mentioned before, 5% of the net earnings will be given to the initial strategy creator when the strategy closes. Okay, let's press create, and it was created successfully. Great, press OK, and here we have a strategy in here. It was created, we can see some like custom, it was created as a custom strategy. Ethereum USDT coin, refreshes every 15 minutes, and well, everything looks nice. Great, the strategy was created. Let's wait for a week or two and let's see how it goes. So 2 weeks has passed, let's go to the active strategies and let's take a look how everything looks like. Yeah, as you can see, it's 27th of November and it was created on 16th of November. We can see that actually it's not going very well. It has decreased. Well, of course, there was a dip, like bears are coming back during those 2 weeks, and that might be the reason why the strategy is not so successful. But let's take a look at the more details about what happened during those 2 weeks for this strategy, and let's see what's the root cause, why it has decreased, or what happened. Yeah, so let's press on the strategy. We kinda don't have any gains, and wow, only one sell and one buy, and it was not really successful. The loss is not very big, only one USDT coin, but I can see that the strategy is not so live. I did not expect it from the strategy that is one of the most copied. Will have only one trade in 2 weeks. This is not what I expected actually, and even that one simple trade was a loss. Okay, it was around zero, so at least that's okay, but I did not lost many money, just one coin, so it's fine, it's okay. But only one trade in 2 weeks and nothing happened. That does not look nice. And we can see that our portfolio decreased by almost 2%. So I think it's obvious I'm not gonna stay with this strategy anymore. Nothing happened. Nothing happened, and I'm not sure if anything happens in the future. So let's terminate this strategy and let's try to start with some other, shall we? Yes, terminate, confirm. It should disappear from our active strategies list. Okay, yeah, great. It took a little bit of time, not so much, but it has disappeared. Historical strategies, and here we have the strategy that generated almost nothing. Actually, not almost, nothing at all, just a little bit of minus. And we still have those statistics I've been seeing before. Let's go to copy trading window again and let's see what other strategies can we choose. Okay, let's check the most copied again. Let's check this strategy. Actually, it looks like these gains, these percents are for the longer time when the strategy was created. So this increase of 1000% is not in the month or two or something like that. It's from the time when the strategy was created. At least we can see that we have quite a lot of trades. This looks more successful than the previous strategy I have decided to copy. It was only 100 USDT and it went like very well to 1000 USDT. So it's really nice. But now it's clear to me, and you will know it as well. In these strategies, if there are huge gains, it's not gains for 1 day, for 1 month or something like that. It's the gains from the time when strategy was created. So you can see only like historical data of the strategy, and if you see 1000%, so it's from the past time, from the time when the strategy was created. So you should be very careful if you see 1000 gains, 1000% gains. It's not like you're gonna have 1000% after 1 month or something like that. It's 1000 from the time when the strategy was created. So note that and be careful when choosing a strategy for the copying it. It went up really nice. It's down a little bit. Let's try to copy this strategy. We can name the strategy. We have left 99 USDT coins, so let's use these coins. 100%. Let's use the slider. The initial amount I have invested was 100, so it's less because the previous strategy was not successful. So let's use the same amount. The remains of the coins from the previous strategy, actually it's almost 100, so it's totally fine. And let's press create. Great, strategy was created. I hope this one will be more successful than the previous one. We can press on the strategy and we can see the details again, like what coins we have in the portfolio. As we can see, there are 2 trades already made while in this couple of minutes I have created the strategy. So it looks like it's more active than the previous one, and let's hope it will be better than the previous one. 1 week has passed. Let's see how our strategy is going on. What's going on with the strategy? Because we had a dip last week, Ethereum went down a little bit more. Actually, not just Ethereum, almost all altcoins went down. So let's see how it went for our strategy. Oh, sheep, we have minus 36%. That's not nice. Minus 36 USDT coins, which is minus 36%. We can see that there was increase a little bit at the beginning, like 20%, 25%. Now we have a dip of almost 17 USDT, which is not so nice. We have like some mana, some sandal, and some USDT coins in the strategy. At least I can see that this strategy is active. Somebody is trading on daily basis. Now if we take a look at the CoinGecko, we can see, yeah, like I mentioned, let's look at my portfolio for the altcoins. Yes, everything went down. Everything went down quite a bit. If we check the Ethereum price, we can see that it's decreasing quite a lot. It's like a kangaroo. It's going up and it's going down, and you never know what will happen when it will go up again or how much it will go down. It's not like before when everything was going just up, up and up. Now it's like a kangaroo, up and down, down and up. So obviously it's not so easy to make a good strategy and to get the gains. But let's hope that's just temporary. Let's hope everything will be fine next week and that strategy will get us some gains. So one more week has passed and we had a week of kangaroo going up and down for the prices. For the altcoins it was more like down than just a kangaroo. So let's see how the Ethereum performed during last week. And as for the Ethereum, we can see that it was going up, it was going down, it was going up, it was going down. Not so easy week for the coins, for the altcoins and for the crypto, I can say. Let's see how my or our portfolio has performed. Copy trading portfolio, I mean. Let's go to copy trading, let's go to my active strategies. And we can see this is the strategy and oh my god, minus 40% for the strategy. It smells really, really bad. Minus 40%. That's a lot. That's really a lot. Let's take a look at the details of the strategy. We can see, yeah, it was just a little bit of a dip last week and now we have quite a huge dip. Everything goes just down, down and down. So looks like the trader is not able to make any good trades. Just down, down and down. Which is not nice, Even if the market goes down, the successful trader, I think, should be able to get some gains because everything is bouncing up and down, up and down. So if you're getting just the losses, what the hell are you doing with the trades? Oh, by the way, this is not a financial advice and this is just for the entertainment. I'm doing this as the experiment and I do not recommend you do this if you're afraid of losing your money, because as for now, I'm just losing the money, that's all. But as this is for the experimental purpose, let's say it's okay. I still hope that this trader named by Mehtah Erkakami, probably it's free traders, it's just the names of them, I hope they will still be able to get some profits. So let's go to their profile and we can see that this trader has almost 2000 followers and we can see they had very nice gains in here and very huge, I mean huge losses and here, and now it's going down again. And as we can see they have quite a lot of strategies, which has some increases because it shows from the time when the strategies were created. Yeah, we can see that it went up really nice, so from the point the strategy was created, it's going down now. It's still a profitable, so for them it's still a profit, but if you started, for example, you or any other person joined the strategy in here and it was like in the middle or at the top, you would have a huge losses. And the same for the other strategies. We have some more. Yeah, this is the one that I am using. It has a lot of copies, as we can see, 6000, so that's quite a lot. And we have some other strategies which are not so successful and of course not so many copies as well. Profile page of this the creator of a strategy, I think it's more than one person, looks really nice. But what's the point that we have so many copies and so on, if now we're losing the money? The strategy is not going well, not at all. I mean, I don't know how it's possible, but everything is going just down, down and down. Even if the market goes down, if you have a good strategy, you should be able to increase the value of your portfolio. So in this case, I'm really not happy about the strategy, but I hope that this bouncing or going down will stop and it will increase. I see no point of selling it now because, well, even if I sell this and start using another strategy with only around 50 USDT coins, it will take Of course, now it will take a lot of time to get even the initial investment for the strategy, but let's see. Maybe we'll have some better times and the strategy will start to generate some profits. As for now, it looks really, really bad. I'm not gonna terminate the strategy yet. If you're interested in how it goes, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I can do another video after a month or two and check how this strategy is performing, or maybe I'll start another one. But it's really hard to say if it goes up, down, if the other strategy will be better than this one, because this one looked really promising before. Now, not so promising. If you tried your strategies, or if you tried to copy any strategy by yourself, please let me know how it went for you. Was it better? Was it something like this? Were you able to get some gains or some losses? I'm really curious, because I can see quite many people has copied this strategy, but I wonder how it went for them. Did they copy many strategies, just one? Maybe they have a portfolio of strategies and so on. So I'm really curious. If you saw my previous video about my metaverse crypto coins portfolio, it's performing better. It has some losses as well. It's around 30%, but it's performing better. If you're interested in that, I'll leave the link in the description, or in the right top corner you will see a notification. You can check that as well, because I did quite a couple of videos about that portfolio, and for now it's performing better than the strategy. I'm doing almost nothing with my portfolio and it's performing better than the strategy with many trades. I have tried to trade by myself before with Ethereum and I lost 1 Ethereum. Whew. That's why I'm not doing this kind of trading anymore. As I can see, I can't trust other people as well. But let me know if you have a better experience with the strategy. I'm really interested, because as for me it looks not so nice now. This strategy is losing the money. When I tried to do it by myself, I was losing the money. So please let me know if you have copied the strategy, how it went for you, or maybe you're doing it by yourself, how you're doing it, what the main points you're doing in your strategy. Is it profitable or not so much, or how hard, how easy to do it? So I'm really interested in that, so let's have a discussion. And this is it for now. I hope it was useful. Please hit that like button if you like the video, and see you next time. Cheers! We have quite a rainy day today, winter rainy day. It's quite dark outside and I'm trying out new setup of the lights and so on. The more powerful bulb did not arrive yet for my lighting setup, so I hope that you can see my face pretty well. The background should look fine, there are many lights and so on, but the most important, that my face would look nice and would not be too dark. So I hope in this setup, with the additional light, because it's not enough the lights from the window unfortunately today, I hope you can see me well. Not like in some previous videos where that background was very colorful, but my face was dark like hell. I hope that's not the case today. We can stop recording and it will be enough for today, I think.